Okay, guys, today we're going to learn the equation to find the height of a ball. So I want you to take a look at this Google slide. Right here, this is the equation as to how we can find the height of a ball at any given time. This H stands for the height of the ball at any given time. This G stands for the gravity that's being acted upon the ball. B sub zero, that sub zero means initial velocity. That's the speed that we put on the ball, whether we hit it or drop it or throw it or that sort of thing. And H sub zero, that is the initial height. So like if you're 5 foot tall, you take a ball, you throw it up in the air, your initial height would be, say, 5 feet. If you drop a ball off of a building, say the building, you're at 30 feet at the building, you drop the ball, the initial height of that ball is going to be 30 feet. So if we go here, G stands for gravity. So if you use meters in the problem, you're going to use 9.8. If the problem is written in feet, you're going to use 32 feet. V sub zero stands for the initial velocity of the ball. This will be given in the problem. It'll say like a ball has initial velocity of say 30 feet per second, and you would use that. If an object of a ball is dropped, then the initial velocity will end up being a 0 because you're not putting any speed on that ball. H sub 0 stands for the initial height. This will be given in the problem as well. So we're going to look at our first problem here. It says, suppose you throw a ball with a velocity of 20 meters. I didn't put initial in here, I needed to, per second, with initial height of 2 meters. Write an equation describing the relationship between the height, the ball's height, and the time. So if you look at this is our initial velocity. That's your V sub 0. This is our initial height. That is H sub 0. So if I come down here on the next slide, right here, here is my initial velocity right here. Here's my initial height. Notice I have 9.8 because the problem is written in meters, and this here is negative 0.5 because negative 1/2 is the same thing as negative 0.5. And then here is our equation. So this models the height of a ball.